Okay, hello. So here's FileMakerPro with my inquiry process program. So I finally got it going. Hope you enjoy it. Now if you look here, we have all kinds of fields where you can enter data. You can put the student's name, the start date. You can type in here stuff I already know about my big topic, so on and so forth. And you can move on to the next page where we have how to build an inquiry question. You can use the question builder word box. Your question will eventually end up over here and it follows you along. So if I were to type in, I don't know, I'll just say how are you, and that's just a very simple question obviously, but how are you, and I moved on to the next page, you would see that it will be right here, and this is where we evaluate our progress and so on. Now if you've noticed, I have a tool button bar over here, and I can access some cool things for kids when they want to organize or explore or present. In particular, I have a research resources page where they can type in all their resources that they use. These are all typable fields. Also, we can go to special organizers, and here these special organizers are clickable and typable as well. So let's say you want to use a calendar, you can open it up and there it is right there. I'll pull back. Let's say you'd like to use a Venn diagram. Well, next thing you know, a Venn diagram comes up. These are all typable fields as well that you can fill in. You have a dot jot. I like organizers, so here's the next one, a dot jot. Now we can also go back. If you see the little bus, you click on that, that takes us back. A PBE chart, for example. There you go. A little glitch up here, but pardon me for that. You can also use a web as an organizer. So you click on that and there's a web. Again, all typable. A timeline. There's a timeline. I'll stretch that out and you can see there you go, and you can have, those are all typable fields. I have a T-chart. T-chart again. Kids can use them. Typable fields. Cross-classification chart. One of my personal favorites. There you go. Also, if you need to make a diagram, you can go, and one that I really like that is pretty current with the kids, they can use bitstrips. So I made a link and you can click on it and then bitstrips opens up. It should pop up here in a second. So there's bitstrips, and you can go bitstrips for school. So that's kind of cool as well, another way the kids can use the technology. What else do I have here? I have some other buttons that we can click, but as you can see, it's kind of cool. As well, I also have a chart where they can check off if they've used something or not, a yes or a no. Did they use a certain resource? Now we can go back to the inquiry process here. This takes us back to where we left off. Here's our initial page where we start focusing. Now if kids need to do a little bit more accessing, they can also click and go to the internet. So Safari will open up here and they can access whatever sources are on there. Also, I can direct them to our ones that are linked to the board page. And again, all typable fields. You know, there's much more to this. I'd like to show it to you more. I don't want to make this video too long. But finally, I also have a picture viewer function, and I like this one because here I am using an iPad mini to show you the program. Now, I created all this on FileMakerPro, and it's all my own doing, and I've taught teachers how to use it. And if you're interested, let me know, and I'll say see you later for now. Why don't I move that away? See you later for now. Hope you enjoyed it.